fact, the Chief Minister's secretary has been terminated by the Vigilance Department. Now, what we do know is that Bibhav Kumar's services has been terminated. In fact, termination reasons include assault on public servants. So that's a significant input that we're picking up. As far as how, of course, number one, as he stands terminated by the Vigilance Department, this could be seen as another jolt to Arvind Kejriwal, where Bibhav Kumar's services have been terminated. And termination reasons, what we are learning at the moment, is including assault on public servant. All right, that's the latest that we're picking up in terms of what has really transpired here with Bibhav Kumar. Important to note that even his residences were raided a couple of months back. Now, we are picking up, this is in terms of the Vigilance Department sacking him as Delhi's Chief Minister's private secretary. Now, the move also comes days after the ED had, of course, questioned Kumar in the Delhi excise policy case. Let's tell you that an order was issued by the Special Secretary stating that Kumar's services were terminated with immediate effect as he was appointed in violation of Central Civil Service rules related to temporary appointment, is what we're picking up. In fact, Mohit, my colleague, joins me for more. जहाँ तक ये बात है, एंड इट इज़ ऑफ कोर्स टेकिंग अ सेटबैक फॉर अरविंद केजरीवाल, किस कारण को इनको टर्मिनेट किया गया है?
देखिए, एक प्रोसेस होता है जब आप किसी गवर्नमेंट पद पे जाते हैं तो आपकी एक पुलिस इंक्वायरी होती है और उस दौरान आपको अपने खिलाफ अगर कोई मुकदमा दर्ज है तो उसकी जानकारी देनी होती है। लेकिन विभव ने इस जानकारी को छुपाया था। इस कारण जो विजिलेंस विभाग है दिल्ली सरकार का, उसमें इसमें कार्रवाई करते हुए विभव को उनके जो पद था निजी सचिव का, उससे अब उनको हटाया गया है। बताया जाए, विभव के कुमार नोएडा में एक 353, 504 और 506 आईपीसी धारा के तहत मुकदमा दर्ज था, जिसकी जानकारी विभव ने जो है वो अपने जो विजिलेंस विभाग में जो उनकी नियुक्ति हुई थी उसकी लेकर छुपाई गई थी। ये जानकारी उन्होंने छुपाई थी और उसको लेकर अब कार्रवाई की गई है, जिसके बाद विभव को हटाया गया है। जी
Ji Mohit, thank you very much for getting us those inputs as far as what really prompted this decision to be taken. But for the moment, we're going to have to leave it at that. We're shifting our focus to more important developments that we're tracking this morning. In fact, let's tell you the duel between the TMC and the